Hi friends, it's Joan at 10 Pentacles Tarot, and today I'm going to do a review of the Cosmic Slumber Tarot and Coloring Book by Tillie Walden. The first thing we're going to do is take a look at the box. This is a very interesting magnetic box at the bottom. We pull it out. There's a really nice print inside, a design, and on the back it says, "If the universe were to sleep, where would her dreams lead?" Hand-painted and bursting with color, the Cosmic Slumber Tarot evokes imagery from the subconscious and subliminal states. It's a tarot deck energized by a soulful warmth from award-winning comics prodigy Tillie Walden. All right, so there's that. And then the inner box has the cards and the guidebook. There's a little cardboard in there to keep it in place. I don't know if you can see it, but yep, there's that. And the guidebook is a little hardcover book. It's really nice. It says instructional booklet. Same design here that's on the inside of the box. Table of contents. We have a foreword where Tillie Walden describes the creation of the deck. Very interesting. There's an introduction, the major arcana. And I like this book because it's color. Each card is represented in color. It has the meaning of each card. And so on. There's the major arcana. And then we come to the minor arcana with nice illustrations by Tillie Walden. Suit of cups, torches, which are wands, cups, swords, and pentacles. And then at the very end, there's a section, how to read the tarot. And then there are several spreads you can use, including the Celtic cross and of what does the universe dream. And there are two bonus cards, the morning and the night. And I'll show you those in a second. So that's the book. Very nice. And now we'll get to the cards. All right, so I'll go in order, beginning with the major arcana and then wands, cups, swords, and pentacles. Okay, so here's the Fool. I really find the colors beautiful on these cards. The Magus, or the Magician. The High Priestess. The Empress. The Emperor. The Hierophant. The Lovers. The Chariot. Strength. The Hermit. And the Hermit is the one that's on the cover of the box as well. The Wheel of Fortune. Justice. The Hanged One. And of course you can tell these images are based on the Rider-Waite deck. Death. And Temperance. The Devil, the Tower, the Star, the Moon, the Sun, Judgment, and the Universe. All right, now we'll begin with the minor arcana. which will be the wands, or in this deck they are called torches. So there's the ace, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 of torches, the 7 of torches, the 8, the 9, and the 10. And then instead of pages in this deck, we have princesses. So that's the Princess of Torches. Instead of knights, we have princes. So here is the Prince of Torches, the Queen of Torches, and the King of Torches. All right, next suit is the suit of cups. We have the Ace of Cups, the 2 of Cups, the 3, the 4, the 5. I'm trying to, okay, there we go. The 6, the 7, the 8, the 9, the 10 of Cups, the Princess, the Prince, the Queen, and the King. All right, we move on to the swords. We have the Ace of Swords, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 of Swords, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9, and the 10. I think this is interesting. The 9 of Swords actually resembles the 10 of Swords in most decks, where the person is stabbed in the back by 10 swords. But in this one, the 9 of Swords has the swords coming down that as if they're going to stab him. And then the 10 of Swords is where she's dead and risen above all of that. Okay, so of course that doesn't mean you're going to die. It just means after that painful ending, there's a new beginning. So that's pretty interesting, I think. Here is the Princess of Swords, the Prince, the Queen, and the King. Now we come to the suit of Pentacles. So there's the Ace of Pentacles, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 of Pentacles, the 6 of Pentacles, the 7, the 8 of Pentacles, the 9 of Pentacles, the 10 of Pentacles, the Princess, the Prince, the Queen, and the King of Pentacles. And here we have our 2 extra cards, the Morning and the Knight. Here's the Knight. So let me just read you what she says about these 2 cards. I think they're pretty interesting additions to the deck. The Morning says, the morning greets you with dim light. This card reflects the chance to start over, the chance to rise into the day a little bit stronger than yesterday. Use the energy of the morning for beginnings, a new project, a new conversation, a new feeling. And then the Knight says, the night comes when you need it most. It is the place for you to sink into and escape. The long day is coming to an end, but the night allows you to extend it, to draw the time out. While everyone else sleeps, you will work. Use the night to its fullest. The moon slows down the clock for you, so you may have the time you need to face the problems ahead. So those are 2 interesting additions to the deck, the Morning and the Knight. I always love it when they add additional cards because you feel like you're just getting a real bonus there. All right, let's look at the color schemes here between the suits, which I find to be very interesting as well. Now for torches, we've got a lot of yellows and oranges and reds, fiery colors. There's some purples there. But basically, the colors are fairly fiery, as you would expect from the suit of torches or wands. The suit of cups next has a lot of blues and greens and cooler colors. Of course, she does have other colors as well, but the colors are dominantly blue and cool colors. And then for swords, we've got a lot of pinks and purples, and that's a cup. How did you get there? Ha! Okay, and there's pinks and purples and magentas, burgundies for the swords. And then the pentacles, this color scheme is my favorite. We've got a lot of greens mixed in with the pinks and so on, but the greens are dominant in the pentacles. So I think that is a really nice way that she used color. I was attracted, the first thing I was attracted to by this deck was the color. So let's see. Okay, these are glossy cards. I don't know if you can see the shine. That's what the back looks like. It's kind of an interesting. And they're very slick. I like slick cards. They shuffle very nicely. Very smooth, not sticking together. It's a nice shuffle. All right, let's try the Vegas shuffle, which I'm getting better at, but not fab. My fingers are too short. Ugh. Okay, forget that. One day I will do this and you will see, you'll say, oh my gosh, she can actually do it. Okay, so anyway, these are nice, very nicely done for shuffling. All right, now the other fun thing that I want to show you is, let's put these back in the box. So put those there, and the book slips right in there, but you have to make sure the cardboard is in the right place. We stick this in the bottom there, and it magnetically closes. Very nice. Now, I found this, the Cosmic Slumber coloring book, tarot coloring book, which is also by Tillie Walden, and it features her artwork. This is a really nice sort of embossed cover. It has texture. It also has the Hermit on the front, and then when you open it, this is lovely. It has pictures of all the cards, and what I love here, if you can see it, is a chart on the color guide, okay, of all the colors that she used. Like, for example, in here, the torches use these colors: swords, cups, and pentacles. So, and you can test, there's a little test area here. So if you want to color them her way, she shows you exactly which colors to use. If you want to color them your own way, that's fine too. We have a foreword by Tillie Walden, introduction, how to use this book. You'll find a line art version of each card to color, and an exploration of the card's dreamscape, archetypes, and symbols. There are 4 questions to help you reflect on what each card means to you, and a beautiful mandala inspired by each card for you to color in. And then she gives the meanings of the colors that she's used. Red, power, passion, and dawn. Purple, other worlds, secrets, and magic. Magenta, drama, passion, and fate. Yellow, inspiration, halos, inner light, and so on. It's very interesting. And, okay, so here is a big compilation of all the cards. Okay, here's the full 0. Let's see if you can see this up here closer. 0, the fool wandering to slumber. The fool can't see what's ahead of them. But what happens if you're asleep in a dream? And again, it tells you the dreamscape, the archetypes, the symbols, and the dream. Then there's a tarot tip here. Notice how the clouds mirror the figure's profile. Dreams are made of us, the things we see during the day, the hopes that fuel us, and the conflicts that plague us. In a dreamscape, we shape our surroundings. How will you shape yours? And then at the top of the coloring page, it tells you the colors that were used. Magenta, yellow, salmon, purple, blue, light green, gray, brown, and peach. And I would think colored pencils would be the best thing for this. You know, you could probably use watercolors. That'd be a little harder to do. Might crinkle the pages, but I think maybe Prismacolor pencils would work excellently. And then we have reflections on the next page. I'm not sure how much you can see of this. Okay. The fool reaches forward, already moving through the dream in a different way to the way we move in life. Perhaps they've already learned to fly. What fantasies do you play in your mind as you drift off to sleep? Is there a dream you've had that stuck with you? Often our dreams reveal to us something that we've locked away. How do you feel in your dreams? Are you a new adventurer or a peaceful old traveler? And when did you last make a leap of faith? All right, so this is a great way to explore the cards, to get to know them better. There's the mandala to color as well that has to do with the Fool. So it goes on this way with every card, and there's a mandala for each one, reflections for each one. I find this to be very well done. And then when you get back, the Knight. So this is all for the major arcana. And then after you're done with the morning and night, we get to the minor arcana. And then we have a reflection on torches, cups, swords, and pentacles. The minor arcana. Here is another picture. Beautiful. And then there is a coloring page for each of the cards in each of the suits of the minor arcana. So it goes through like that with all of the minor arcana, and there's some extra coloring pages. Anyway, I think this is a great addition and companion to the tarot deck. Again, in the back, we have the rest of the cards. And then here's Track Your Journey, your study of each of the cards. You can check it off and keep track of it. So I really believe, there's a picture of Tillie Walden. I think this is a great value. I found this at Barnes & Noble. And all that, it was only $16.95, which I thought was a great deal. So that is my review of Tillie Walden's Cosmic Slumber Tarot and the Cosmic Slumber coloring book. I would recommend this deck. This is one of my favorites. I just love the colors, and I think it's beautiful. So if you enjoyed this review, please give me a like and a subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If there are any questions you have about this video, feel free to comment, or any comments. I would love to know which decks you would like to see reviewed, and I hope to see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.